Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting a free 30-day trial to Amazon Prime. This only works if you haven't had Prime on your account before. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to Amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your account if you are not already. When you are logged in, click on the Accounts and Lists button from the top right of the screen. From your account page, click on Prime. Click the yellow button that says Start your 30-day free trial. You will now need to add a credit card to your Amazon account if you don't have one added already. Once you've added the credit card, now just add or select your billing address. Now just click Start your 30-day free trial. Your free trial of Prime should now have started. As you can see, it didn't for me because I have already had a free trial of Prime before, so I am not eligible for another one. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.